of it is the monkey and the hedgehog. Enjoy! Far, far, far away, a wise hedgehog lived in the woods with an obnoxious monkey. It was so frozen in Antarctica that Penguin decided to visit the warmer forest for a little bit.
I want to be the wisest animal in the world.
Me too. Yes, and how are you going to achieve that, Mr. Monkey? Monkey! Monkey was very dim-witted, so his response had very little weight.
You tell me everything you know, of course.
You must learn your own lessons through your own experiences. Monkey was not sure what to think of this because he is so unintelligent. That is all I will tell you.
I wouldn't know everything I learned from you anyways.
The moral of the story is, wisdom is not something that is given away. It is something that is found over the years.
Dominic.
The author of this story is
Dominic.
Love it. Would you tell us a little bit about the process of your story, of how it started and how it ended, maybe?
Okay, well...
Not the beginning, middle, and end, but the beginning and end of the process of incorporating other people.
Mom, you love Dominic.
So
Take a picture, take a
it
picture.
started when the story started out as the owl and the hedgehog, where the hedgehog was the unintelligent one and the owl was the wise one. Naturally. But Dominic said he wanted to be a monkey in the part where everybody chose an animal they wanted to have for a puppet and bring home. So I thought I could change it up so the owl is not in it and the hedgehog is the wise one and the monkey is the unintelligent one. This is me in monkey version.
But they all learned a lesson, right? I'll let the author follow me. As mentioned earlier in the previous play, I really appreciated the word choice in this play, the humor, and if you can't tell the amount of time that their group put into practicing it, because it was smooth on, smooth off, it's really great. And I appreciate the way you guys worked together to make sure everybody was involved and everybody had a part. That was really important to our class, so thank you for that. Any other comments or compliments or from the audience?
I really like the voices that you guys used, especially the monkey voice. That was a good one.
Yeah, that was pretty funny.
Thank you.
We had to go through about 5 different accents.
Yeah,
We
we
got
did.
to one that we could understand.
And he went through more at home.
Yes, I did.
Anyone else?
I liked how they compromised and made the story different so that they could have more people participate in it rather than just have 2.
Oh, we
That was
also
really
changed it up so that the penguin can be in it. Yeah, we put Sam's penguin.
I'm a boy.
Yeah.
I want
Hold
to
it up so they
pick
can see it.
you, but
Oh, look, he has mufflers now.
He
Yeah,
said,
so we had to have a frigid Antarctica for a penguin to join the forest.
Yeah.
That was a very creative way to add that line.
yeah, he said he wanted to be a penguin, so
It made sense.
got to
You
be a
guys
penguin.
know a whole bunch of penguin stories.
penguins, you know.
You have to say it loud.
No.
thank you.